To create a new list as a tab in a Teams channel, select Add a tab, select Lists, and then Save. This adds a new Lists tab to the team. You can create a new list or add an existing list from a SharePoint site or the current team. You can create a list from scratch, from an Excel spreadsheet, or use the columns and formatting from an existing list, or create a list from a ready-made template. Choose a template based on your scenario. Scroll to see the default columns, formatting, and sample data for that template. Select Use Template. Give the list a name, a description, choose a color, and an icon if you like, and select Create. Your list is created with the same columns you saw in the template, ready for you to add your information or edit to customize. To create a list from an existing list, select Add an existing list, and enter a URL or select the list you want. Your existing list is added as a new tab in Teams. Start creating!